Hi again and welcome back to our tutorial series. Today we will have a look at the business directory listings and the impact it has on your business success. At the heart of liemalori.com's offerings is its expansive business directory, which boasts over 750 registered companies spanning various sectors within the transportation and logistics industry. This directory encompasses a wide range of services. We will be discussing how to add your company profile and optimizing your profile so that it is found by potential customers and ranks in Google. Your business directory listing is an important part of your liemalori.com account and will be used to promote your business, allow you to receive RFQs, and represent your brand on liemalori.com. You will be able to showcase your operational photos, add articles about your company, and feature all your contact details, social media links, and brand representing your company. Let's start by logging into your back office. In the top right-hand corner, click on Members and select Login. You will be directed to the login page where you will need to complete your login credential and complete the security code. After submitting, you will be directed to your back office. In the left side panel menu, click on My Company that will open up the tabs we need to complete. Now select the Profile option under My Company and click on the Add Listing button. Start by completing all your company details and adding your company logo, selecting the categories in which you want your business listing displayed, and complete contact details, business description, and more. You're able to add your listing in multiple categories and will receive all the RFQs related to those categories. Please note that directory listings go through a verification process, and your listing will only be displayed after being approved. You will need to add your company documents, which we will look at shortly. After submitting all the details, let's refresh the page by clicking on My Company, Profile, again to look if the page was updated. Now that the directory listing was created, you will be able to add your profile header image and save the page again. You are able to make changes to your company listing and simply click the Save button when done. Let's add your company documents for verification by clicking on the Documents tab. You will need to upload a bank confirmation letter, business registration document, and business tax certificate, all in PDF formats for verification. In the drop-down, select the document that you will be uploading and select the document to submit. Complete the process 3 times until you have uploaded all the documents required. Please note that all company details are securely stored until the profile was verified before being deleted. We do not keep any of the documents and are only used for the verification process. In order to keep all members safe from potential fraudsters and scammers, we need to ensure that all companies displayed in our business directory are legally registered and fully operational. Now that the documents have been uploaded, you can return to the Profile tab to see if your profile has been verified. You will now be able to visit your company listing in the business directory. Let's return to the front end of the website and click on the Directory tab in the top menu bar. We selected Abnormal Transport as one of our preferred categories. Let's select the category to look for our listing. Listings are sorted alphabetically, and we will need to scroll through the listings to find our listing. Click on the listing to view your profile. In your listing, you will see your company logo, header image, and contact details. Below that, you will find the tabs for your operational gallery, articles, documents, and rating. You will see that all the company documents for this listing has been added and that they are verified. Now that the company listing has been added, let's return to our back office to complete the remaining features of our company profile. We will still need to add our social links, operational images, as well as articles about our business and brand. We can add the social links by clicking on the Social Links tab under My Company to add the links. By adding all the relevant links to your profile, users viewing your profile will have multiple avenues to follow to get hold of your business. You will be able to add a link to your website, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Make sure to enter the whole HTTP address to your website and social pages before clicking the Save button. By adding the links to the profile, users will be able to click through to your website and social pages by clicking on the social icons that are now displayed on your header. Apart from the RFQs that we will be receiving, our business listing is a representation of our company and brand. Let's return to the back office again to add some photos displaying operations or other relevant content that can be used to promote our business. Visit the sidebar menu again and click on the Photo Gallery tab under My Company. Create a new album and name your album. You will be able to add multiple albums to your profile. Click the Browse button and select the images you want to upload. You can add multiple images by holding in the Control key and clicking on the images with your mouse. After selecting the images, upload and save. Let's return to our business profile by visiting the front end of the website and clicking on Directory. Find your listing and view your profile. You should now be able to view your images added under the Gallery tab. With the photo gallery images added, let's return to the back office one more time to add an article. Articles can be used to create announcements or any other informative information, informing users about developments at your company. Articles is another great way to promote your business and building your presence on limylori.com. Now that the article has been added, let's return to our business profile by visiting the front end of the website and clicking on Directory. Find your listing and view your profile. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to leave your comments below or reaching out on any of our social platforms. Over the next few weeks, we will be adding a lot more tutorial videos to our YouTube channel to help you make the best of your members' account.